All societies have languages in which certain spoken sounds convey certain meaning. This is verbal communication. Writing too is a verbal communication but in a different way. When we talk about writing or a script, we mean that spoken sounds are represented in visible signs. Certain spoken sounds which convey certain meaning is known as verbal communication. The way I communicate with you just now, right now, is verbal communication. However, writing too is a verbal communication but in a different way. What I told you, like suppose if I told you to take down a note, you take down the note and then you can see it in your eyes, with your eyes. What I have said, you wrote it down and can see it with your eyes. That is another form of verbal communication. So writing is also a verbal communication, but in a different way. Kan siya tiya, ma'am? Writing hi verbal communication ani tho verbal communication kan ti chu tu na kasai ang kan in biak na ang hi tu na ka zirtir ang chi verbal communication ani ti chuan e kasoya kasoi ka o ka sound te in lo sha om generate hil kasoi kha in lo sha thiama hi verbal communication ani writing hi engting a verbal communication ani vedang writing by verbal communication ani thowa amaro chu ani dana dang dewa spoken sounds thu kan soi kan zia a zia ka lo o makha mitin kan ho vele theita a chuwan chan tong kha kan hu thei tiang pon soi theita chuwan chan writing po hi verbal communication chi khatani amaro chu tong ka kan soi ang ni to lovin tong ka kan soi te kan zia thak du kan no zia te kha kha hu thei om le thina kha verbal communication ani ve thei dan kong khata chu ani ta ni okay. Here we are going to see and learn how the Mesopotamians have developed writing, what writing material has been used, and then the script used by the Mesopotamians. Okay, Mesopotamian wrote on tablets. And the first Mesopotamian tablets was written around 3200 BCE, and mostly it contains picture-like signs and numbers. There were about 5,000 lists of oxen, fish, bread loaves, etc., and lists of goods that were brought into or distributed from the temples of Uruk. Writing began when society needed to keep records of transactions because in city life, transactions occurred at different times and involved many people and a variety of goods. The main reason why Mesopotamians started writing was because of transactions, buying goods, making lists of the goods they have sold or they have bought. So for that, they needed to keep records. So to keep records, they started to write down things. But in the beginning, they do not write it in a alphabetical manner or in a script. But mostly, the writing contains pictures and signs. Mesopotamian so khan writing anon develop na masapira writing an chi chwadan masapira hi is thil le shal ang chi te sumdon na tin Mesopotamian society culture kha an kho a mishing a khopu ya kha anom sak awang le yi khaya te thil ta taka anom sak em awang khan sumdon nan kalpui na sem em ani aram chunga me ni labin a neighboring countries tenen po anin sumdon ton na sem ema chunga an thil le shal te ni an thil ti pui mo tam taka kha record nan an du wangin a ti chon amilim ang ten sign ang ten an chin chia ma support ani chumi hnuwa chuan zoi in writing mumal jok om zene so khan an develop chho ta zel ani chu writing aron in tran na an develop tran na writing bul in tran na ani. So what was the writing materials of the Mesopotamians? Mesopotamians wrote on tablets of clay. I hope you all know what is a clay. So how did they make a clay? A scribe would wet clay and pat it into a size he could comfortably hold in one hand. He would carefully smoothen its surfaces. With the sharp end of a reed cut obliquely, he would press wedge shape. It is cuneiform. Cuneiform is the script used by the Mesopotamians, and the cuneiform script looked like wedge shape. See, In page 34, the left corner, you will find the explanation for cuneiform. Cuneiform is derived from the Latin words cuneus meaning wedge and forma meaning shape. So that is the script used by the Mesopotamians. Signs onto the smoothened surface while it was still moist. Once dried in the sun, the clay would harden and tablets would be almost as indestructible as pottery. When a written record or say the delivery of pieces of metal has ceased to be relevant, the tablet was thrown away. Once the surface dried, signs could not be pressed onto a tablet, so each transaction, however minor, required a separate written tablet. This is why tablets occur by hundreds at Mesopotamian sites, and it is because of this wealth of sources that we know so much more about Mesopotamia than we do about contemporary India. The Mesopotamian scribe. Scribe is the one who wrote things on a clay tablet. So the scribe would wet the clay, and while it was still moist, he brought down the things he want to write. One of the writing material is a reed, which is cut obliquely like this. I hope you all know what is an oblique shape. So this is how they have written on a moist wet tablet by the Mesopotamian scribe. An tablet siam dana chu hlum akha an siam phota aziak thiam bi ganom ta to scribe an tia khami hun lai ziak thiam bi kha ti chuan chu chuan in akut pakhat ta ken nuam to vel turin hlum siam ta ahma an ti mam vek phota ti chuan chu ta chuan in to na kan soi read hemi mau ngenang no ang hi a oblique shape in an han katta ti chuan clay an ala nem lai khan an zia du ang kha an zia vat thina ti chuan an zia zo ni san phoro ta an hun phoro to chuan a ke mi thelo ni Mesopotamian hoin horopan man chu cuneiform script kan ti cuneiform horop kan ti hinia wedge shape kan ti hini wedge shape sei fia dan chu hey Mesopotamian horop chu an te khin ber chu perek nails hi ni nails chu achunga aron mama anoi te na zoom thata perek hi chunga chan wedge shape an ti hian hemi perek shape kan ti ang hi Mesopotamian horop landan an sei chu ni tani it looks like nails an ti perek ang khan an te khin ani ti chuan an zia to chuan nisan phoro to chuan a ke mi thelo pottery hlum an siam ang cha khan a thei to lowa chuan ama ro chu kha tablet kha an chin sia du kha atang kai to ro chan pai ani mai I an pai to pa atharan siam le zela an ziak lut le zela chumi ni ba cho Mesopotamian hun lai khan tablet si zatel sangtel kha mu chha tu ro ama chumi ani wang chuan thil tam tam an no record an no chin sia ban Mesopotamian ho history tam tak an cha the pa khati hun lai ya India civilization te Egyptian civilization a hun lai civilization lo am ve aim Mesopotamian ho hi an chan chin kan cha tam the pa a chan chu enge because of the written tablets tablets athil an no zia wang kha ani so that is the development of writing of the Mesopotamians. So we see how writing was developed. Next, the system of writing. We have already mentioned that the script used by the Mesopotamian was a cuneiform script. The sound that a cuneiform sign represent was not a single consonant.